everybody. This is my mom got me this, so it's the plastic bubbles
Wrap.
and you're going to pop these with your hands. This is the one I'm gonna pop with my hands. I'm gonna save that. But this is the one I'm gonna pop with my feet. Ready, set, go.
Is it fun?
Really fun.
It's all pop? Say goodbye to everybody.
Wait, I need to do everything. Okay, on the next layer,
Okay, say bye everybody. Try it and you can have fun too.
Wait, the next part.
Oh.
So now we're going to do the one for my hands.
Oh, okay.
Okay, this is a long layer.
Ooh. What can I tell them? Bye.
Bye. I'll see you on my next video. But I'm still having this party with you guys. Watch my video still.
Bye.
Bye. I'll see you on my next video.